Dolphins are known for their friendly and curious nature, which makes them one of the most beloved marine creatures on the planet. Seen in oceans around the world, they stand out for their acrobatics and sociable behavior. But what many people don't know is that these aquatic mammals have extraordinary abilities. Living in tropical and temperate waters, dolphins can be found in countries such as the United States, Australia, Japan, and even along the coasts of Europe. They adapt well to different environments, which makes them true explorers of the seas. Their presence at sea always arouses admiration. These animals are incredible hunters, using a technique called echolocation to orient themselves and locate prey. They emit sounds which, when they collide with objects, return to them, allowing them to see their surroundings through echoes. This puts them at a higher level of hunting ability, even in dark waters. Dolphins also have an astonishing life expectancy. While many marine species live only a few years, dolphins can live up to 50 years, especially if they are well protected from human threats. This fact alone is proof of their resilience and adaptation to life in the ocean. Therefore, the world of dolphins is much more fascinating than it seems at first glance. They combine intelligence, sociability, and unique abilities, making them true masters of the seas. Dolphins are often compared to primates because of their remarkable intelligence. They have one of the most developed brains among mammals, which allows them to solve complex problems, understand commands, and even exhibit unique cultural behaviors. This mental capacity puts them at the top of the list of the most intelligent animals on Earth. What is surprising is how dolphins communicate with each other. They use a language of their own, made up of a wide range of sounds such as whistles, clicks, and pops. Each dolphin can have a unique name, a characteristic whistle that identifies it within the group. This reveals not only their intelligence, but also an organized social structure. These mammals are also capable of planning and working as a team. There are records of dolphins helping each other in dangerous situations and even cooperating with humans in coordinated hunts, as happens in certain regions of Brazil. This ability to work in groups shows high emotional intelligence. In addition, dolphins show signs of self-awareness. In mirror studies, they are able to recognize themselves, a rare ability in the animal kingdom. This self-recognition reflects an advanced consciousness, something that even many intelligent animals lack. Dolphins' intellect goes far beyond solving immediate problems. They show a natural curiosity and a desire to explore their environment, which makes them masters not only of the seas, but also of learning. Dolphins are known for their complex and fascinating social interactions. They live in groups called pods, which can range from a few dozen to hundreds of individuals, depending on the species and region. Within these groups, they form deep bonds, both family and friendship, and demonstrate impressive sociability. These social bonds are so strong that when a dolphin is injured, other members of the group may help to keep it on the surface so that it can breathe. This altruistic behavior is rare in the animal world and shows how much dolphins value their social connections. It's not just a question of survival, but of mutual care. Dolphins are also playful by nature, often seen surfing the waves, jumping out of the water, and even interacting with boats. They exhibit behaviors that seem to be done purely for fun, which leads us to believe that, just like humans, they seek pleasure in social and recreational activities. Interestingly, within their groups, dolphins establish hierarchies and roles. There are leaders who guide the group, and mothers who dedicate a large part of their lives to caring for their young. This level of social organization resembles that of some of nature's most complex societies, such as elephants and primates. Communication also plays a vital role in their relationships. Through sounds and even touches, they are able to organize and coordinate group behaviors such as hunting or protection from predators. Dolphins' anatomy is a true spectacle of nature, designed for speed and precision in the aquatic environment. They can swim at impressive speeds, reaching 37 miles per hour, thanks to the aerodynamic shape of their bodies and the strength of their fins. This makes them excellent hunters and agile swimmers, able to pursue prey efficiently. One of the most intriguing aspects is the dolphin's ability to echolocate. They have the ability to emit sounds that bounce off objects and return as echoes, allowing them to see their surroundings accurately, even in dark or murky waters. This natural radar is so advanced that it can detect even small fish at great distances. In addition, the brain structure of dolphins is complex and highly developed. The size of their brain in relation to their body is larger than that of any other marine mammal. They have a large number of neurons in their cerebral cortex, responsible for advanced behaviors such as communication and learning. This reinforces the idea that they are highly intelligent. Another curious fact is that dolphins breathe. Unlike fish, which use gills to extract oxygen from the water, dolphins need to surface to breathe through a hole in the top of their heads. They can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes while diving in search of food, but usually surface every 2 minutes. In addition to pollution and accidental captures, direct dolphin hunting still takes place in some countries. In Japan, for example, traditional dolphin hunting practices still persist, despite international pressure to end these activities. The brutality of these hunts has sparked outrage around the world and motivated various protection movements. Fortunately, there are many global efforts to protect dolphins. Organizations such as Sea Shepherd and WWF work to raise public awareness of the dangers dolphins face and fight against hunting and the destruction of their habitats. Marine protection laws have also been implemented in several nations, limiting fishing in areas critical to the survival of these animals. However, there is still much to be done. The preservation of dolphins depends on coordinated global action. Dolphins are not just fascinating creatures, they are fundamental to the balance of marine ecosystems. Every time a dolphin swims through the oceans, it plays a vital role in the food chain and in maintaining the health of the marine environment. Protecting these incredible mammals is not only a matter of animal conservation, but also of ensuring the survival of the oceans as a whole. The beauty and intelligence of dolphins have always enchanted us, but now more than ever, they need our help. Pollution, hunting, and overfishing threaten their lives every day. Only with collective effort can we ensure that future generations also have the chance to admire these extraordinary beings. Whether it's through donations to organizations fighting for marine conservation or simply educating others about the challenges dolphins face, we can all make a difference. Imagine a world without the joyful sound of dolphins jumping in the waves. That's a scenario no one wants to see come true. So I invite you to act now. Get informed, share knowledge, and above all, help protect our oceans and their inhabitants. Together, we can ensure that dolphins continue to fascinate the world for many years to come.